What is creativity? Creativity is imagination plus ideas plus empathy plus innovation all put together, as well as being committed and passionate about learning. We need to give our students chances to show creativity in the classroom. According to the book, Creative Confidence, David Kelly was stunned at how quickly people's imagination opened up with just a small amount of practice and encouragement. Motivating our students and encouraging them to take risks and that it is okay to make mistakes is the first step. Obang also discusses that we live in such a fast-paced society and we need to embrace change. Trying something new for the first time and failing should be rewarded, not put down.